Before we wrap the show today, I want to share something with you we call Whissel Widget of the Week. This is something we utilize in our business that saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have a little bit more fun. What do you got, Bryan?
This one doesn't save us money, but it is more fun. I have been listening to Spotify, as has everyone and their mother, and they have a new feature called the DJ feature, and it's an AI feature that you literally press the DJ button, and it will give you groups of songs. I think they're like 4 or 5 songs, and they'll play it based on your listening habits, your what you've listened to recently, what you haven't listened to for a while, and it'll kind of just group it together. And if you don't like that group, you just hit it again and move on. But it's the DJ feature within Spotify. I don't know about you, but if you're like, man, I'm trying to think of something, I don't know what I'm in the mood for. It's great. It's like the radio, but no commercials. So that's mine.
Cool. Mine is definitely something that just helps me have more fun. If you are unaware, I'm a sneakerhead and I love shoes. And one of our agents is a fellow sneakerhead. And
Talking about Big Matt?
Oh, yeah. Money Matt. Yeah. Shared an app with me recently that if you're into sneakers, you know they always have like drops and raffles and all this stuff. And so if you want to get the inside track on getting the hot new shoe before it goes public, or some of the tricks of how to get the shoe before other people, there's an app to help you with that. Also, will tell you, like, let's say a shoe drops, but then maybe somebody had one in their cart, so it was sold out, but then they didn't go through with the purchase, and so there's restocks that randomly pop up. It'll tell you when there's restocks, and you can slide in and grab a shoe that was previously sold out. That app is called Sole, S-O-L-E, Retriever, S-O-L-E, Retriever. And if you want an invite to it, it's one of those where you you get on a wait list and stuff. So I can probably send you a code to try to help you shortcut the line to get in. It's pretty cool app.
He's never going to share anything with you again. He's going to be like, that's my thing. Very cool.
So yeah, if you guys want an invite code for Soul Retriever, if you're a sneakerhead, hit me up at Kyle Whissel on Insta. I'll share it with you.
Very cool.
Awesome, guys. Well, hope you got a lot of value out of the show today. If you listen on a podcast platform, hook us up with a review on there. It means a lot. If you're watching on YouTube, hit the like button, throw a comment in there. Bryan and I respond to all those personally, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm Kyle Whissel with eXp Realty.
I'm Bryan Kochi.
We'll see you next week. Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.